Hello my dear students, good morning everyone. As you know, we started our revision for our term 1 examination. We already completed chapter 1. You have to do chapter 1 question answers from PDF in your homework. I hope you all completed that work. Today I am going to start my chapter 2. That chapter 2 name is The Earth a Living Planet. It means अर्थ जो है वो लिविंग प्लैनेट है. बाकी किसी सोलर सिस्टम का बाकी जितने भी हमारा प्लैनेट है वहाँ पे हमारा लाइफ नहीं पॉसिबल है. सो इम्पॉर्टेंट नोट्स ऑफ दिस चैप्टर इज द अर्थ इज़ अ ओनली प्लैनेट इन द सोलर सिस्टम दैट हैज़ अ लाइफ. पूरा हमारा सोलर सिस्टम में सन जितने भी हमारे प्लैनेट है वो सब में हम कहीं पे भी हमारा लाइफ नहीं हो सकता है. ओनली it's possible in only earth planet. Due to 70% of water on the earth, it's also called the blue planet or a watery planet. As you know, at our earth we have 70% of water and 30% of land, so it's called as a watery planet or a blue planet. The earth is surrounded by a layer of called the atmosphere. अर्थ की जो सराउंडिंग में लेयर बनाया हुआ है उसको हम एटमॉस्फेयर बोलते हैं. अर्थ रोटेट्स ऑन इट्स एक्सिस एंड रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. एज यू नो, अर्थ जो है 24 आवर्स में उसके एक्सिस में घूमता रहता है और उसको बोलते हैं हम रोटेशन. एंड इट रिवॉल्व्स अराउंड द सन. सन के लिए 365 एंड 1/4 डे तक घूमता रहता है. उसको हम वी कॉल्ड इट इज़ अ revolution. Okay, revolution. Okay, it's called as a revolution. So in the presence of sunlight, plants prepare their food through this process of photosynthesis. As you know, in our EVS first chapter we learnt about food chain. In that food chain, the plant is only that made their food their own, otherwise all others are depend upon one another. So plant is make their food own. प्लांट जो है प्लांट वो अपना फूड ओन बनाता है. उस प्रोसेस को हम क्या कहते हैं? फोटोसिंथेसिस. द लाइन एट विच द अर्थ सरफेस एंड स्काई अपीयर टू मीट इज नोन एज अ हॉरिजन. चिल्ड्रन, I showed you picture in also my last video. It's so earth and जो sky मिलने का जो अर्थ एंड स्काई जो मिलने का जो बीच में जो लाइन होती है उसको हॉरिजन बोलते हैं. बट दे नेवर मीट. अर्थ एंड स्काई वो दोनों कभी नहीं मिलते हैं. बट हम ऐसे हमें वो इमेज होता है, हमें वो दिखता है जैसे अर्थ और स्काई दोनों मिलने वाला है. उस लाइन को हम हॉरिजन कहते हैं. द पोर्तुगीज सेलर फेर्डिनेंड मैगेलन प्रूव्ड दैट द अर्थ इज राउंड. पोर्तुगीज का सेलर स्पेन से अपना जर्नी स्टार्ट करके 3.5 ईयर तक जर्नी किया. अपना सेलिंग बोट में सेल करते हुए जहाँ से उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था वहाँ से ही आके फिनिश हुआ. तो दैट टाइम ही प्रूव्ड दैट द राउंड earth is round in shape. Who proved that? Portuguese sailor Ferdinand Magellan and proved the earth is round. This is important points of our chapter 2. Now we are going to do our revision from this chapter 2. So everyone open page number 10. Multiple choice question. Multiple choice question means you have one question and you have 4 answers there, but only one answer is correct there. Then you have to choose that correct answer. Which planet is called the blue planet? Uranus? No. Earth? Yes. Earth जो planet है उसको हम blue planet कहते हैं. What is the percentage of water on the earth? 70%. Okay, option C is correct. What do we call the upper layer of the earth? Upper layer of the earth is called, what we call the upper layer of the earth? Our earth is surrounded by, हमारा अर्थ का जो सराउंडेड में जो लेयर है वो एटमॉस्फेयर है. देन अर्थ का जो अपर लेयर है और लिथोस्फीयर है, मीन्स पत्थरी इलाका जो होता है उसको हम लिथोस्फीयर कहते हैं. ओके चिल्ड्रन, नाउ कम टू द फोर्थ क्वेश्चन. हाउ मच टाइम डज द अर्थ टेक टू कंप्लीट वन रिवॉल्यूशन. ओके, सन का एक चक्कर लगाने के लिए हमारा पृथ्वी कितना टाइम लेता है. 365 and 1/4 day. That's answer is 365 day and 1/4 days. Option D is correct one. Who proved 500 years ago that the earth is round in shape? Ferdinand Magellan proved the earth is round in shape. Option B is correct. Rivers and deep ocean belong to the dash sphere on the earth. Dash sphere, hydrosphere. So turn the page number 11. Fill in the blanks. The earth is a dash planet. You have to write here. Earth is a LIVING, living planet. Dash is the only natural satellite of the earth. MOO and moon. Moon is the only natural satellite of the earth. The sun rays take nearly dash minutes to reach earth. 8 minutes to reach the earth. Dash proved that earth is round. Magellan, you know that answer. Magellan, MAGELLAN. Magellan started his long journey from Spain. SPIAN. Yes, always capital. SPAIN. Spain is a country. The earth is surrounded by atmosphere. Earth is surrounded by ATO, atmosphere. ATMO. Yes. PHERE, atmosphere. The earth rotates on its axis, axis in 24 hours. The model of earth is called globe. So this is our fill in the blanks answers. Now we will move to the right, true and false. The layer of surrounded by the earth is called hydrosphere. No, that means it is a false statement. The earth moves around the moon. This is also false statement. The surface of the earth is even. False. Uneven. Plants purify our environment. Yes, plants give us oxygen. Annual motion of the earth is also called revolution. Yes, this is also correct answer. The seas, lakes and water bodies on the earth's surface known as a hydrosphere. Yes, this is also our correct answer. Now children, move to the next exercise. Please turn over the page number 12. So match the following columns. A column is there and B column is there. So A column is lithosphere, hydrosphere, atmosphere and biosphere. Lithosphere, upper layer of the earth. Our answer is, one answer is 3 here. Second one is hydrosphere, that is the area of water. Atmosphere, layer surrounded by the earth. Biosphere, a region beings living. Okay, so short question answer. What do you mean by horizon? Horizon बोले तो क्या है? मैंने आपको पहले से ही बताया था. A line of which the earth's surface and the sky appear to meet is known as a horizon. So I am going to write here answer. A line of which the earth surface and the sky appear to meet, APPEAR, appear to meet, is known as horizon, HORIZON, full stop. Okay. Now, what is atmosphere? The earth is surrounded by a layer of air is called atmosphere. The earth is surrounded by a layer of air is called atmosphere. What is percentage of water on the earth? Nearly 70% of the earth is covered by water. And remaining 30% is land. Okay. Who proved that earth has no edges? Copernicus and Aristotle proved that the earth has no edges. Proved that earth has no edges. Okay. So turn over the page number 13. Only one question is remaining there. How many types of movements our earth have and what are they? There are two types of movements our earth have and they are rotation and revolution. Two types of movements our earth has. Our earth have and they are rotation, ROTATION, and revolution. Okay, REVOLUTION, revolution. Children, question number 6, long question answers are there. That questions I am going to send you PDF. You have to complete from that PDF in your homework. How can you prove that the earth is round in shape? Why do we call the earth is living planet? What is the rotation and revolution? This and next page you have to complete in your homework. I am going to send you a PDF. First question answer is the photographs of the earth taken from the outer space by the astronauts proved that the earth is round in shape. Second question, why do we call the earth is living planet? Earth is called a living planet because human beings, animals, birds, insects, trees, plants live on this planet. What is rotation and what is revolution? Rotation, the earth rotates on its axis once in 24 hours, which is called rotation. Revolution, the earth revolves around the sun 365 1/4 days, means 1 year, is called the revolution. Okay, now turn the page number 14. In that page number 14, you have two questions there. Who is Ferdinand Magellan? Ferdinand Magellan was a Portuguese sailor who proved that the earth is round in shape. What do you mean by photosynthesis? Answer, in the presence of sunlight, plants prepare their food through the process of photosynthesis. What do you mean by hydrosphere? The seas, lakes and other water bodies on the earth's surface taken collectively are known as hydrosphere. This is our second chapter revision. Students, you have to do this revision in your revision sheet by using our video and PDFs. Okay, I hope you all will complete this work by yourself for your term 1 examination. Okay, all the best everyone.